Plan-wise, the 2023 Lexus RX 450h will not be any unique contrasted with the remainder of the arrangement. The new age at long last embraces Toyota's new TNGA engineering, which brings critical upgrades. The focal point of gravity is lower, while the new age is lighter by almost 200 pounds. This will immensely affect the ride quality, which has been really agreeable up until this point, yet not especially captivating. Obviously, the inside plan is likewise totally new. The RX has forever been well known for great form quality, yet the style were viewed as too moderate by certain pundits. This changes with the new age, as the new Lodge looks flashier and more appealing. You can see more pleasant materials, including accessible bamboo, open-pore wood and aluminum, as well as a gigantic 14.0-inch touchscreen, which feels much more instinctive than the past touch cushion-based infotainment framework. With regards to standard hardware, Lexus hasn't thought of subtleties yet. In any case, we assume that things like a monstrous 14.0-inch infotainment screen will be standard, alongside treats like a computerized instrument group, remote Apple CarPlay and Android Auto cell phone joining, Wi-Fi area of interest, voice acknowledgement, premium sound framework and some more. As we've recently referenced, the 2023 Lexus RX 450h accompanies another crossbreed powertrain. Very much like the Highlander did a couple of years prior, it drops a V6-based mixture arrangement and accompanies the arrangement that consolidates a 2.5-liter inline-4 with 2 or 3 electric engines. In any case, that model will be known as the RX 350h, while the 450h will highlight a module crossbreed arrangement. 2023 Lexus RX 450h release date and price. The 2023 Lexus RX 450h will show up alongside the remainder of the setup, in the not-so-distant future. The specific cost is yet to be reported. In any case, we gauge that the beginning cost of this variant could cost around $65. Then again, the base rendition, outfitted with a Super 4 gas motor, ought to cost around $50.